Students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing patterns and symmetry chapter. Out of this, patterns we have done, and today we will discuss symmetry topic. What is symmetry? Okay, what is line of symmetry? Like this is circle. Okay, if we divide it from the center, we get two halves like this. Okay, both are symmetrical means both are same. Okay, so the line dividing any figure into two equal halves is called line of symmetry. Means this, from where we are folding this picture, so this line is called line of symmetry. Okay, we are taking here some more example like A, English alphabet A. So where we can draw the line of symmetry? Vertically. So if we fold A from here, then on both the sides we are getting same picture. Okay, so similarly this rhombus shape, so if we cut it from here, we are getting same pictures. 3, if we cut it from here, we will get same pictures on both the sides. Now what about circle? So circle is the figure, so we can draw number of lines of symmetry, unlimited numbers of line of symmetry, because circle we can fold from anywhere, we will get both the sides same picture. Okay, so look at here S. So we have drawn here line of symmetry. So can you see same pictures on both the sides? No. So this picture is not showing symmetry. Similarly 7. So if we draw here line, or if we draw here line of symmetry, are we getting same pictures on both the sides? No. So this figure has no line of symmetry, or this figure has no symmetry. So based on line of symmetry or symmetry, today you will do this exercise. Some things are given related to your daily life, like gate of your house. Okay, see, it is exactly same on both the sides. So where will be the line of symmetry? Here. But in this picture you just need to tell which figures are symmetrical and which are not symmetrical. So this picture is symmetrical because from center we can see two same pictures on both the sides. This key, is it symmetrical? No. Either we draw horizontally or we draw vertically, we are not getting same picture on both the sides. So this figure has no symmetry, or this picture is not symmetrical. Okay, similarly you will do rest sums. In this sum you have to draw line of symmetry. Okay, so line of symmetry like this. In the center C, where I am drawing line of symmetry, I am getting two equal pictures, exactly equal. There should not be a difference of even a single dot. Okay, so here in this you can draw in two ways, vertically and horizontally. Okay, in this it is already drawn, line of symmetries are already drawn. You have to tell take the shapes that is divided into two symmetrical halves by dotted line. So this dotted line is called line of symmetry. So you have to tell whether it is dividing this picture into two equal halves. Yes. This line is dividing into two equal halves. No. Here it is difference. There is difference between these two pictures. So similarly here, these two pictures are same. No. So put cross. Okay. So here, yes. Here, yes. And here, yes. Okay. I hope it is clear to all. Similarly on this page, is the dotted line of symmetry? Is the dotted line a line of symmetry? So how you will check? You will check both these parts whether they are same. If they are same, then this dotted line is line of symmetry. If they are not same, like in this example, so this line is not line of symmetry. Okay. So in this half of pictures are given. So you have to complete this picture. Means if this is line of symmetry, on other side same picture will be drawn. Okay. Because this is given line of symmetry. So when there is line of symmetry on both the sides, picture should be same. So it means half picture is given, half picture you have to, same half picture you have to draw. Like here, if 6 dots are there, then same 6 dots you will draw on other sides. I hope it is clear to all. Thank you students. Have a nice day.